Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram music no result found problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. And the first step you simply need to update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and click on app list and search for the Instagram. Open, click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.